I moved from Bali and have now been in Sri Lanka for the past week. So my mom and I did a private tour of the northern and inland part of Sri Lanka. So from Colombo we went up to Sigiriya, and then we went to Kandy, and then Ella, and then down to the southern province, which is where I am now. So right now I'm in Ahangama and staying at the Dreamsea surf camp here in Sri Lanka. So if this background looks familiar to you if you watched my Bali vlog, that's because it's the same surf camp, just in a different location. I have been here for the past 3 days now, and since it's November, it's technically Sri Lanka's rainy season, and unfortunately it hasn't been the best for surfing because it's really windy and stormy, and so the waves are quite messy. However, I did surf, and I actually had a really fun surf session yesterday. I actually surfed twice, and then the second time my mom got a private lesson and she tried surfing. Today is my last full day here at the Dreamsea camp before I move on to my Ayurveda retreat. So I'm really hoping to surf a lot today, but it's super stormy. The thunder and lightning is pretty crazy and gnarly right now. Every time there's thunder, it's so violent that it kind of shakes the room. So it is a little scary, but fingers crossed that the storm will move on, as it tends to do in tropical locations. So I just had a yoga session. We do yoga from 6:30 to 7:30, and then usually I have breakfast and then take a tuk-tuk to go surfing. So hopefully I can continue with that routine today, depending on the weather situation. I am pretty hungry, so I think I'm gonna go get some breakfast. My mom's already downstairs, so I'm gonna go join her. And yeah, we're just going to see where the day takes us, so stay tuned. So this is my outfit for today. Super comfy, casual. This is a sarong that I bought for like $6 in Bali. Come on. The storm stopped, so I'm actually gonna try and go surf. So I'm walking down to the tuk-tuk now. Fingers crossed.
Oh, when you look at me like that, I swear that something in the air so vibrant. Now I'm just pointing out the fact. Hey, oh, won't you tell me how you feel? Hey, you keep looking at me, looking at you, feeling so deep, gonna catch an overload. Looking at me, looking.
We're at Green Rooms in Welagama, which is where I have been surfing the last few days, and today is definitely the cleanest that it's been, so that's good. And even my mom has a board, and she's gonna try and surf on her own on the inside. So yeah, I'm gonna switch over to my GoPro and hopefully get some good waves. Have fun! Hey! This is my new friend Jason. We actually met on the airport going from, on the airport. We met in the airport going from Bali to Colombo, and we went surfing, and it's been really fun. Yay! Something like that.
Oh, I would fight for just your time. Oh, it's just something about your way now. You keep looking so good, looking at me, making me feel like I do it all for you. Looking so good, looking at you, babe. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Wanna get it close with you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try. Made me wanna put my roots down. Made me wanna put my roots down. Down, down, diddy, down, down. Hey, I think I'm into you. You make me wanna put my roots down. We'll never fly unless we try. Unless we try, try, try. Wanna get it close with you.
We just surfed and it was super fun. My mom caught a few waves as well. Did you have fun, Mom? Oh yeah. She wiped out twice and was really good about it. And she was catching waves all the way to the beach. So it was really good. Now we're heading back to Dreamsea. Gonna shower and probably drink a coconut. So see you guys over there. So I'm back at Dreamsea after surfing and it was actually really fun and the weather is so much better compared to this morning. I'm gonna walk downstairs and get a little king coconut to hydrate myself and probably hop in the pool. Lunchtime. I'm trying to be vegetarian while I'm here in Sri Lanka, so I'm eating a falafel bowl right now. It's super good. I'm back in my room and I am suddenly so tired. My body was already tired from yesterday's surf sessions, so surfing again this morning plus lunch just made me so sleepy. So I'm gonna shower and the bed's calling my name. Yeah, I'm just so tired and lazy today. I don't know what to tell you guys. Sometimes I have those days. Most times I have those days, especially if I've been surfing a whole bunch. It's tired in a good way. If that makes sense. All right, I'm rambling. I'm gonna go shower. Goodbye. Hello. So I took a 1 to 2 hour nap. It was much needed. I was so tired, but now I am awake and refreshed. So anyway, I changed into a one-piece swimsuit because I'm meeting up with a photographer to shoot some sunset stuff in the water. This one is from Lululemon and it is so comfortable. Perfect for surfing. So in about 20 minutes or so, I'm gonna go downstairs and meet up with the photographer. And I'm not exactly sure where we're gonna be shooting, but you know, the end of the day is to just go with the flow. And so far it has been serving me well. So I'll see you guys soon. I'm back. I ended up not vlogging while I was taking photos, but I just had such a fun surf session in Lanka, and it was raining a little bit and there's a beautiful rainbow and the waves are super fun, so hopefully the photos turn out okay. But I'm back at Dreamsea at dinner. I love how the string lights look. So dreamy here. Anyway, we're just going to enjoy our last evening here at Dreamsea, have some dinner, and pack up because tomorrow we're going to an Ayurveda retreat. Very excited. So anyway, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.